Hello everyone and good morning. You know they have a saying, one good turn deserves another, and whatever good you do shall come back to you, and that is what is happening today. If you remember, on Thursday we were doing a cleanup of a Bogan villa which had fell on the roof. Well, that roof is the next roof over there, and today we are over at the neighbors who had the trees that had fell on the roof, and we are going to cut and make sure we leave everything in good order. Yes, we had done that side, and after he saw our work, he said, well, you know what, come over to my side and make sure the trees are good so that that mistake won't repeat itself. So we are going to top this tree, the one that was holding the Bogan villa and gave him. We are going to cut it and reduce it, and after that we are going to come to the Bogan villa itself, the one that had the canopy we removed on Thursday from the roof over there. We are going to cut it and reduce and leave it at the height of the wall. So we are done here. We are now cleaning and just finishing up, and this is the job that has been done. The Bogan villa has been removed, and the tree that fell from has been removed as well. So we are done. Thank you so much.